Matiu 20. Workers for God farm. God kingdom be like when person comot for early morning go hire people wey go work for him farm. After him and the workers don gree how much dem go get for their work, he con send dem go work for him farm. When 9 o'clock reach for morning, he con see people wey no get work stand for market. He con tell dem, make una go work for my farm, I go pay una well. So they con go. When he go out around 12 and 3 o'clock for afternoon, he still tell other people make dem go work for him farm. When 5 o'clock for evening don nearly reach, he see some people wey no get work and he ask dem, why una no dey work and today don nearly finish? They answer am, na because nobody hire us. He con tell dem, make una enter my farm go work. When evening reach, the person wey get the farm con tell him manager, call the workers, make you pay them. Start from the last people wey I hire. People wey dey hire for 5 o'clock collect full day salary. And when the people wey dem first hire waka come, they think say the oga go pay them pass like that. But they get the same amount. When the first people collect their money, they begin complain to the farm owner. These last people work for only 1 hour and we work for the whole day inside hot sun. But you pay all of us the same amount. The farm owner answer one of them, my friend, I no do you bad. No be wetin we gree dem pay you. Make you take your money, dey go. I like give these last people the same amount wey I give you. Abi I no fit use wetin be my own as I like? Or you dey jealous because I dey do good thing? So the person wey be last go be first, and the first go be last. Jesus talk about in death again. As Jesus dey go Jerusalem, he take him 12 disciples go one corner come talk to them. Make una look, we dey go Jerusalem and dem go sell man pikin give the priest oga dem and the law teachers. Dem go say make dem kill am and dem go give am to Gentile people make dem laugh and flog am well well. Then dem go nail am for cross. But for the 3rd day, God go wake am up. Wetin James and John ask for. Then Zebedee wife with him children, James and John, come meet Jesus. Their mama come lay down, dey beg Jesus. Jesus come ask am, wetin you want? The woman answer, may you allow these my 2 boys sit down for your kingdom, one for your right side and the other for your left. Jesus asked them again, una know wetin una dey ask for so? Una go fit drink from the cup wey I wan drink from? They answer, yes, we go fit. Jesus come tell them, na true say una go fit drink from my cup, but e no dey my hand to choose who go sit down for my right and left, but na for those wey my papa choose. So when the other 10 disciples hear this matter, they come dey vex with the 2 brothers. But Jesus call and tell them, una know say Gentile people, oga and people for big position, dey control and oppress their people. make e no be like that among una. Instead, anybody wey wan be oga among una must serve the rest people, and anybody wey wan be first among una must be servant to the others. Just as man pikin no come make people serve am, but make e for serve and give im life to save many people. Blind men begin see. As Jesus and im disciples dey comot from Jericho, many people come dey follow dem. Two men wey blind sit down for the road corner. When dem hear say Jesus dey pass, dem come begin shout, "David pikin, make you sorry for us." People come dey shout for dem make dem keep quiet. But dem come dey shout more. "David pikin, make you sorry for us." Jesus come stop, call and ask dem, "Wetin una want make I do for una?" Dem answer, "Oga God, make our eye open again." Jesus sorry for dem, so he touched their eye. At once, they begin see, and they come follow Jesus. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una go help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.